What's the meaning of Centers for Disease Control and Prevention? Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention.
Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, commonly abbreviated as CDC, is a national public health agency in the United States. Its main goal is to protect public health and safety through the control and prevention of disease, injury, and disability. The agency is responsible for conducting research and providing education and health information to the public, as well as responding to outbreaks and emergencies. The CDC also plays a critical role in global health, working with international partners to promote health and prevent the spread of disease worldwide.